Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, you are welcome, my dear followers. Today, we will talk about personal pronouns or ضمائر الرفع المنفصلة part 2 inshallah. Let's begin. يلا بسم الله. Part 1 we will take a quick review. أنا, you. أنا. When I speak about myself, I want to tell you about my name. I said أنا and my name. I said أنا مهندس. I am an engineer. Like that. When I speak about myself, أنا in Arabic. أنت, أنت, it means you for masculine. أنتِ, it means you for feminine. أنتما, it means you both for two. Boys or two girls, two men or two women. أنتن, أنتن, it means you all for feminine. أنتم, أنتم, it means you all for masculine. And when we have, let's say, feminine and masculine together, we can say antum also for feminine and masculine, but not for only women. When I have only women, I say antunna. But when I have men and women, they are together, I can say antum. فأنتم somehow for feminine and masculine. Also, when I have men and women and they are together in one place, let's say, and I speak to them all. Try to save it. This is part 1. Today we'll talk about part 2. Part 2, this is when I speak to someone or some people directly. Anta, I see him. I speak to him directly. Anta, anti, antuma. But these pronouns, when I speak about someone, is not here, not saying me, not hearing me. I speak about him, not to him. Let's begin. Huwa. Huwa, it means he. Huwa, he. Here. Here, it means she. Here, she. Huma, it means they both. They both for two, let's say. For two, boys or girls. Hunna, it is dhamma. It is a small waw, dhamma. We read it hu. Hunna. Hunna, it means they for feminine. Hunna. We will take inshallah some examples. Hum, hum, it is sukun. Sukun, we read it consonant. Hum, we read it pure vowel. Not pure vowel, pure letter. Hum, hum. Hum, it means they all for masculine. Let's take some example. Huwa. Huwa أخي. Huwa أخي, it means, let's write it here. Huwa أخي, it means he is my brother. He is my brother. هو أخي. He is my brother. Here it means she. Here, as I say here, أختي. أختي. ألف همزة وضمة ويريدة أو. أختي. Here, أختي, it means she is my sister. هي أختي. She is my sister. هما with two persons when I speak about them. If they were men or women, it's the same for masculine and feminine. هما, let's say, for masculine and feminine. هما ولدي. ولدي. هما ولدي. هما ولدي. It means they, capital letter, are. I will try to write it under. They are my two boys. They are my two boys. هن, when I speak about 3 women or girls and more. هن بناتي. You know? هن بناتي. It means that I have 3 daughters or more than 3 daughters. I say هن بناتي. It means they are my daughters. They are my daughters. هم, the last one. هم, as I say, هم أبنائي. أبنائي, we have al-hamza here on the line of writing. هم أبنائي, it means they are my children. They are my children. Let's speak about them in another way. هو, هي, هما, هم, هن, هم. I use them when I speak about some people. Someone is not here, not hearing me. I'm not talking to him, I'm talking about him. So, هو for men, for singular. هو أخي. He is my brother. هي, she, means she. هي أختي. She is my sister. هما for both. They, it means they both. They are my 2 boys, or they both are my boys. It is the same. هن, it is they for feminine when I have 3 girls or women and I speak about them. I say هن. هن بناتي. They are my daughters. هم, it means they for masculine. Or if I have plural, they are feminine and masculine, I can speak about them and say هم. But in general, we use it with masculine. هم أبنائي. They are my children. And that's all for today. هذا كان كل شيء لهذا اليوم. I say welcome for you all. أرحب بكم جميعا. It is honor to me to invite you to subscribe my channel. Ring the bell, please. Like and share and good comment and dua. Like you or pray. Like you. Thank you all. شكرا للمتابعة. السلام عليكم.